We're going to be talking about Litecoin LTC on this video, which is a request by one of my viewers. Going to be talking about what's happening with Litecoin here. Is it finally going to be breaking out of this huge falling wedge pattern here? This is on the monthly time frame, and it has been building up since December of last year. Okay, it has been on this little downtrend, not as steep as what I've seen with other altcoins. This is a much more stable altcoin. Okay, it's been around for quite some time. If you guys don't know, and right now it looks like it's trying to break out of this falling wedge pattern. Falling wedges, if you guys are new to this market or new to technical analysis, it is a bullish pattern that has a higher chance of breaking to the upside. Very simple, very effective. If you guys start charting your falling wedges, you will see them as probably the most common pattern, and you can definitely use that to your advantage when trading or investing, right? And what I'm seeing here is a possible breakout here for Litecoin. Again, it's been trying to break out for the past since July or since August here. Okay, we're in October already, so it's been trying to break out since August, but it has not been successful. However, this falling wedge pattern is still intact because it tried to break out, and you see wicks outside of the pattern, outside of an intact pattern, but um it's still, I mean, this is still a valid pattern because the wicks don't invalidate a pattern, a intact pattern. And what I'm seeing here is a falling wedge that's still trying to break out here, right? It is on the verge of it. If it is actually successful in October, then the price target would be about $174 now for Litecoin. Let's go ahead and take a look into a smaller time frame here. I just want to mention that Litecoin, the price target is an estimate only. There could be more, there could be less, a lot of which is going to depend on what happens with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts dumping from here, these altcoin setups, they're not going to matter very much. I did a more detailed video on Bitcoin earlier today. I will link you guys at the end of this video. I never trade altcoins without a clear understanding of Bitcoin. I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here, including Litecoin. And I am looking to take a profit on my Litecoin position. Actually, it's a leverage position, so I'm not going to be carrying it as much as my spot positions. So this is what I'm doing with my Litecoin position. But of course, these are just what I'm doing. And my opinions only, like the entirety of this video, and not financial advice. Let's go ahead and take a look into a smaller time frame, which I talked about last time. I did invalidate a few patterns here and consolidate it into a bigger falling wedge pattern. Okay. And what I'm seeing here is a falling wedge pattern that has, this is on the daily time frame, that has broken to the upside. Price target for this falling wedge pattern would be about $140 Litecoin. So this is basically what I'm seeing for Litecoin on a higher time frame and a smaller time frame. Let's see if it can meet that $140 target before getting to the next bigger one at above $170. So this basically wraps up for this very short and simple Litecoin video. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of Litecoin or any other coins in this market by dropping a like, comment, subscribe. I'll pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis, and I'll see you on the next one.